Stop tossing potato peels. Your garden wants them. Potato seedling. Think twice before throwing those potato peels in the trash. You're actually getting rid of a natural powerhouse your garden will absolutely love. Stick around to see just how amazing this simple kitchen scrap can be. After this, you'll never look at potato peels the same way again. These humble peels are packed with nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, iron, and even a touch of nitrogen, all essential for healthy plants, strong roots, and vibrant flowers. Instead of tossing them out, chop the peels into small pieces and bury them 2 to 3 inches deep near the base of your plants. As they decompose, they release nutrients directly into the soil, feeding your plants right where they need it most. This is especially great for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers, roses, and fruit trees. The result? Lush greenery, brighter blooms, and tastier harvests, all without a single drop of synthetic fertilizer. It's 100% natural, totally safe, and best of all, completely free. Plus, it improves soil texture, boosts organic matter, and attracts helpful earthworms, giving your garden a long-lasting boost. So next time you peel a potato, remember, those scraps are garden gold. Like this tip? Hit like, share it with your fellow gardeners, and subscribe for more smart, sustainable garden hacks.